nice orange color, isn't it? By the way, if you watching this vlog from time to time, not too many people watching it, but anyway, if you can, please subscribe this channel and leave the comment. It's too long, too short, more details, less details, because I don't know how to create these movies to be more interesting for everybody. If anybody wants like a how-to movies, just like I can make it a bit longer with more details. It's a bathroom wall with magic sink and magic cabinet. There's no magic, just like it. Hello? So means like two of the most important panels of the bathroom are set. This panel is like a main panel dividing the van, so it's the most important because everything I count from this surface, and I set this bathroom panel, these two walls, this wall and this wall will be orange. This will be same like that. This wall plus wall with entrance will be in the same color. It's called copper. Okay, so to set it, when I set this panel straight, I make two pieces of button. To tell the truth, I made four, but two are equal length. Just to set the distance. It's the easiest way, of course. I check it with right angle to the center line. The main purpose of this center line is to keep all panels in line. Nearly poem. Now is acceptable? Yeah, right now. But let's say was easier to set and fit the screws, so I know so it's nothing is moved. Of course, on the top I make same button where it is marked short. It's a shorter. So I said here is a bit shorter. It's a 2.5 mm shorter to set the top. Yeah. And of course, on every like a stage, I measure and I checking is like a right angle 90 degree to the center line of the van, and of course I check also is like a 90 degree to the floor, but because this right angle is not enough long to check it only with this tool. So what I've done, I measure the distance from this edge to that edge. It's exactly 175 centimeters. Divide by 2 and deduct same length like here, same distance like here, deduct and measure from here to here. If it's same, it's same. It's a plus minus half a mil, less than 1 mil, so it's a quite good accuracy. So right now I know, so the bathroom will be square. Maybe it's not, 1 mil is okay, but with 2 or 3 mils on this side it's not such a big problem, but on the sides where we have more these panels, problem is when you start like angling them, the last one usually is more angled. That is a problem to fit the fridge or whatever when we want to fit. Everything is a problem. Okay, so in this like a recess, okay, it will be a cabinet with tambour doors. just to keep everything when you take the shower. I don't like, you know, to like in some camper vans you have to take everything from inside, like a towel or something, because other way it's wet. And second, I don't want to fit the cabinets inside, even small, inside the shower, this cubicle, because it's, come on, this is bit less 1 meter, this is 93 centimeters by 73 centimeters, so Jesus, it's a small enough to do this. Okay, on this bottom space will be sink, because here is a toilet, so we can't like hang the sink. Of course, some people hang sink here or make the bathroom wider. 100 ideas, but I choose to make the bathroom sink in a drawer. To tell the truth, I don't know how to solve. No, I know how to solve, but I don't know exactly where I have to drill the holes and make it cutouts for waste. Probably I will use only one like tap for showering and for using sink, so it will be will be problem with fitting the waste pipe. Problem as a problem. Come on, not a big deal to solve. This holes I make just to, this is like a weight reduction. Okay. Nothing, but if I make it something more, this is not like necessary to be, because it will be covered also by PVC, so this holes will be invisible. So where's the problem? I make it like a no job at all, and so this wall are like a double skinned, like a hollow wall, let's say. So here will be pull-out tray in this gap. So we lost some space. Maybe we make a secret stash from it. Okay, from other side, this like a, you know, drawer compartment will be under the bed frame, just under the bed frame. Here I plan small storage for, I don't know, cell phone or something like that, not too big. Higher will be connected the light switch for battery. Okay, so that's it. It looks like that for now. This surface will be covered by carpet. To tell the truth, it was a pretty few hours to make this construction, but fitting was even shorter than I expect. I fit it in maybe 1 hour with some like it tweaking, because I have problems to assemble it inside the van. I have to like route like some places. This area here will be like a heating duct. To this end is my fault. I don't know how come, but I make 2 small holes. So right now I will struggle to make it higher. It's simpler if you drill proper size from the beginning. If you have to make it a bit bigger, it's just like a... Okay, so next job I will set the toilet, tweak a bit, because it's a bit wider, the toilet, about like a 30 mil, so I have to think about it, how to fit the toilet flush with this wall or flush with like a entrance wall. Build this wall here and make a tunnel to separate like a entrance to the toilet, to the like a Thetford door from the rest of this space. Oh, a few ideas. I don't know perfectly how to do it yet.